Hello everyone, welcome to the batch upload item prices module for your Xoro system. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to upload any additional pricing or foreign pricing that you may have for your products or SKUs. So basically, if you have any additional pricing or even any custom pricing and you want to upload that in batch for your items, you're going to want to use this module. So to reach this module, just punch in item prices in your search menu and just go to upload item prices. And basically similar to the other uploads, you're going to want to follow the steps laid out on this module. So step 1 is downloading the template. Step 2, you're going to put in your data. And step 3, you're going to want to upload your pricing. So let's download the template. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And so you have your column headers here. Your first column is your item number. So that's the SKU or product, exactly how it is in the system. The second column is your currency code. So that's your 3-digit currency code for which the price is specified in. So if I go to the account module, you can actually see a list of the currency codes that you can use. You can see here that there's actually USD, CAD, INR, and so forth. So these are all the currencies that are available for use in the system. Just use the same 3-digit code here in that template. So then you have the standard unit cost and standard price, and then your 5 custom prices, which actually all are these values. They all are in the currency that's specified here. So you can actually have multiple rows with the same SKU, but each row could represent a different currency. So I've got a sample set up here. And actually, one way to see your custom prices, so you probably noticed there were 5 columns there for custom pricing. And if you want to see what they are set up like in the system, just go to your app config module. And basically just scroll down here and you can see your custom price labels. So right now I've got wholesale, retail, and online. So if these aren't already set up for you, you can go ahead and change it here. If they're already set up, then basically you can go by these entries here. So let's go ahead. Let's upload our sample that I've got ready. So I've downloaded the template. I've already entered in the data. I'm just going to select my sample and I'm just going to hit upload. And there, my advanced pricing has been updated for 10 items.